viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Scaredy Squirrel Makes a Friend. Warning, Scaredy Squirrel insists that everyone brush their teeth with germ-fighting toothpaste before reading this book. Let's begin. Scaredy Squirrel doesn't have a friend. He'd rather be alone than risk encountering some dangerous squirrel or could get bitten. A few individuals Scaredy Squirrel is afraid to be bitten by: beavers, walruses, bunnies, piranhas, and Godzilla. So Scaredy Squirrel finds interesting ways to pass the time all by himself. He reads, he whistles, he knits, he chats, he crafts. Those two things. Most of these things are rhyming. He yawns, he counts, until one day he spots someone perfectly safe, a goldfish, the perfect friend according to Scaredy Squirrel. Bubbly personality, squeaky clean, quiet, no teeth, germ-free. Doesn't do much, but it's 100% safe. A few items Scaredy Squirrel needs to make the perfect friend: lemon, name tag, mittens, comb, mirror, air freshener, toothpaste, chew toy. How to make the perfect first impression: prepare freshly squeezed lemonade. Make sure name tag is visible. Tame bad hair. Brush teeth thoroughly and practice smile. Check for nutty breath and food caught between teeth. Wear mittens to hide sweaty palms. I don't get sweaty palms. Well, rarely I do. Use pine scent to smell delightful. Follow the perfect plan. Step 1, toss down the chew toy to distract biters. Step 2, use mirror to check hair and teeth. Step 3, run to fountain. Step 4, point to name tag and smile. Step 5, offer lemonade. Step 6, make a perfect friend. It is legend. Nut tree, fountain tree, rocks, bush, pine tree, pond, biter. Oh, that's the key. It's a key. That's a map, and that's what things are. Alright, I am here. Goldfish is here. Stay away from piranha-infested ponds. Don't talk to suspicious bunnies. Beware of walruses. They're fast on their flippers. Avoid beavers. They could snap at any moment. Watch out for Godzilla, for obvious reason. But let's say, for example, that Scaredy Squirrel did come face to face with a potential biter. He knows exactly what not to do. Do not show fear. Do not show your fingers. Do not make eye contact. Do not make any loud noises. If all else fails, play dead and hand over the test. Scaredy risk test. Who are you? How many teeth do you have? What's your hobby? What do you see? With every detail under control, Scaredy Squirrel puts the plan into action. First he tosses the chew toy, then he heads down the tree. Everything will be perfect until he hears a strange noise coming from behind. Squeak! And then he realizes objects in the mirror appear closer than they appear. It's a dog! He was not part of the plan. The dog chases Scaredy around the bush, around the fountain, and around in circles with Scaredy Squirrel, until Scaredy Squirrel plays dead. 30 minutes later, 1 hour later, 2 hours later. After all this time, Scaredy Squirrel realizes that he doesn't want to bite him. He just wants a friend. Scaredy Squirrel points to him on the name tag and smiles, and he starts chasing his new buddy. They play fetch, they play hide and seek, they play dead. Scaredy Squirrel forgets all about the goldfish, not to mention walruses, bunnies, beavers, piranhas, and Godzilla. Time flies when you're having fun. All this excitement inspires Scaredy Squirrel to make a few minor changes to his idea of friend. My almost perfect friend, according to Scaredy Squirrel: muddy paws, wet doggy smell, loud bark, tooth, drool. 83% safe, but lots of fun. There are germs. P.S. As for the wet doggy smell, it's been taken care of. The pine scent. So that was the entire book. Well, now I'm going to be doing a quiz with you as well. Can you ace this quiz? So if you can If it's possible, you can pause the video, look at the question and answer you can choose, and then try and do it on your own. So let's begin. Are you Jeff? No. Wait, how is this a question? Who's your teacher? How is this a question? I don't get this. What? I don't get this. I don't get this. This is a really weird question. Alright, I finished it. So, that was the end of the book. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!